Good morning, class. Today we will continue or review our lesson in last week. So, for our exam tomorrow. How are you today? Very good. You're all good. So, for anything else, let me all of you please stand for our prayers. We followed by our traditional song and I will give to you an activity. This time, class, are you still listening, class? Very good. So this time, we will continue or we will review the discussion about before basic operation before we're going to have an activity that's I promised to you last week because we have done discussing about the four basic multiplication, which is the addition. What else? Okay, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So very good. And I appreciate your effort in learning in our activities or division part that you have get scores, high scores in our quizzes. So let me share to you our learning objectives in this discussion. So at the end of this discussion, you will be able to identify the four basic operations. So as we discussed it last week, and then solve the problem by using the materials that I've made for you. So later on, I will show to you our materials. In solving, I can use in answering addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So are you excited, class? Okay, very good. So last one, realize the importance of the operations in real life situation. So this time I will show to you the material. Wait for a moment. So this called material called solving machine. So it has a four operations, so multiplication, so as you can see, addition. What is this? Okay, it's subtraction and division. So it has numbers from 1 to 10. Like so, and also here. So let me fix this because it's going. Okay. So let me share to you an example how to use it. So if you give it so this is an activity or for games. Also can use activity or game. So like for example, you choose 5 and you choose the addition and choose the number, the third. So this is the equal sign. So 5 plus 7. So what will be the answer? So anyone? Okay, very good. 12. So you will choose here from the 5th row, and the last row. So the answer will be 12. So this is an example of our solving machine. So do you like it, class? Okay, very good. So later on I will divide you into two groups, and I made two of this. So each group will compete so that you will use or enhance your critical thinking and solving skills. So the mechanics of the activity or our activity will be so each group will be given same problem. So you will form a line, so a straight line, and then the first person will solve the first problem and will use the solving machine and show it to me, and I will judge if it's wrong or not. If it is correct, so the second person will proceed. If it's wrong, so you will solve it until you get the answer. So the first group that will finish, or if the last person of your group will get the answer, so your group will win. So that's clear, class. Very good. So if you have any questions, just ask me later. So very good. So we have done our activity today. I'm certain all of you are learning. So congratulations to Group 1 for winning this activity or slash game. So from this time, I will share to you the relevance or importance of this operation in your daily lives or real life situation. So first, let me share to you the addition. So in addition, if you ever mastered using addition, so you can definitely know the sum of the things that we're going to buy in the supermarket or star store. Like for example, you're going to buy 2 Milos worth of 7 pesos. So how many it all? So it's 14 pesos. So you can, if you have a change, if you have a coin, so you can definitely choose 14 pesos immediately and give it to the vendor. So as there are a lot of scenarios that you can use addition in buying something. So second action. So in this scenario, so if you buy snacks worth of 14 pesos in a store, so you have a 20 pesos and give it to the vendor. So how many money will be left, or how many change you will receive from the vendor? So this is the scenario. This is the equation. So 20 deducted by 14 or minus 14. How many money do you left or change? So anyone? Okay, very good. So the change will be 6 pesos. So next will be the notification. So you plan to buy, for example, you plan to buy a biscuit, 1 biscuit. So and then immediately your mother will tell you to twice the biscuit you plan to buy. So 1, so twice the biscuit. So 1 biscuit times 3. So how many? So 3. So we're going to buy a 3 biscuit. So next, the last one will be the division. So if you divide whole, so like for example pizza. So there are whole pizza. So your mother told you to divide it into 4 person. So how many slice of pizza are you going to slice? So from